If you're a smartphone user and you are very much interested in using your mobile phones to do your edit, here are top 5 apps that can help you do that seamlessly. Top on the list is Adobe Rush. Adobe Rush is an Android version where you have a feel of the Premiere Pro, which is a desktop version and has all the capabilities. But with the Adobe Rush, you can do so many things. It comes with templates, sync your clip. You can even do so many transitions. You can also sync your project to Adobe Cloud right from your phone. Second on the list is Filmora Go. Filmora Go is also available on desktop and likewise on smartphones. So Filmora Go, you can simply create professional looking videos with advanced features like keyframe animation, large library of stock videos and photos, and blending modes. Next on the list is CapCut. CapCut, you can use it to create short form content across all social media platforms, and it has advanced features like 3D animations and keyframes, which you can use to create some of the most stunning videos that someone can hardly tell that it was done using a mobile phone. And again, it has large library of royalty-free music which you have access to. Just download and use it in your projects, coupled with the fact that you can even add custom stickers and text to your image and also create captions. Like most of my captions are done using CapCut. Next on the list is VN, which you can use to create short music videos. You have the opportunity of getting numerous video filters, effects, and also popular songs on TikTok, because this app was developed by the owner of TikTok. So using this, you can create wonderful content. The last but not the least is InShot, which you can find using your smartphone, either iOS or your Android, which you can use to create videos for your social media platforms, add emojis to your videos. You can also adjust the speed and playback whichever way you want. And lastly, you have wide variety of video effects and transitions that is left at your disposal. I'm sure you'll be able to try this out, and if you do, please do well to leave comments in the comment section and I'll be sure to take it up from there.